Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing. And today I have this smart track link from Eufy. Finds lost items anywhere. Keep track of anything that you or your family constantly forget for free. Find keys, bags, wallet, dolls, backpacks, luggage and more. Works with Apple Find Me, located anywhere in the world using Apple's network of millions of devices. With a left behind loud alarm, you can't miss an alarm. Get instant left behind alerts via the Eufy Security app. Download from Google Play Store or App Store. Well, let's open the box and find out more about this product, more features and how we can use it. Inside, we're gonna find out the manual. If you want to read, it's your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Wow, it is small. I like it. Definitely it fits anywhere. Eufy Security. I like this texture at the front. We have the hanging hole for your keys. Button. Press at the front here. It is water resistant with a replaceable CR2032 battery. At the back we have the QR code. If something lost, you are always connected via Link's QR code. A person who finds your item can scan and see only the contact information you share. And here, these three holes, it is the buzzer. And the coverage is up to 80 meters in open area. So let's pull that. Enable the device. The Eufy Security app. I have some other products from Eufy. You can check these products down below at the description on the playlist Eufy. Add a device. You can see so many products from Eufy. I'm sure you will like something the most and just buy it. Smart tracker. Smart tracker. Next. Press the button for 3 seconds until you hear 3 beeps. Next, add it successfully. Tracker, keys, let's say keys for now. Save. Device family, you can add the second one. There's the tracker. We can see the location of the tracker. Find. Mute. Unmute. Found it. Left behind alarm, it is on beta. You can add do not disturb location and save. You will not be notified when Smart Track link is disconnected at these locations. False press prevention. Enable. To eliminate accidental sounds and operation caused by unintended button presses. Once enable it, there will be no sound produced if you long press the button on Smart Track. No, I don't hear any sound. Disable. Find phone. Double click Smart Track and your phone will ring. Perfect. And find, this is the location. Lost mode. Enable lost mode so someone can contact you when they find your smart track. Name. Andrew, my email. I can add the phone number. For now. Leave a message. Perfect, and save. Now if I'm going to scan the QR code, there's the QR code. Andrew, my email, my phone number, and hello, please contact me to return my keys. I like it. And you can choose other languages. You can rename the device, choose other type. Share the device to other members of your family about the device, some information and check for firmware updates, tutorial, and share your thoughts to Eufy if something wrongs, and you can remove the device. And on left behind alarm, do not disturb location. Here you can adjust the radius distance, small, medium or large. Now, because I have installed this tracker on Android phone, it can only have small range, maximum 15 meters, because it's working on Bluetooth mode. I have tested and it works perfect on this distance. My phone is Samsung and the Eufy tracker doesn't work with SmartThings, like the Smart Tag from Samsung. By the way, I have made a video for the Samsung Smart Tag. You can check that video right in the corner after the end of this video. The only way to have worldwide coverage is with any iPhone and use the Apple Find Me. You can then locate it anywhere in the world using Apple's network of millions of devices. I have tested on an iPhone and it works perfectly. It is your choice how you want to use this tracker. But definitely if you choose with Apple Find Me, you can find anything on the world. The only thing you need to have is one iPhone near you, any iPhone in the world, it doesn't have to be yours. I like it, it is a good product and you can use it on many scenarios: keys, wallet, bag, camera, toys, suitcase, handbag. I have one in my car, on my electric bike and on my keys. Now let's say if your electric bike was stolen and you have this tracker, you can track your bike anywhere in the world, because eventually sometime this tracker it will connect on any iPhone and then it will refresh the location of your bike. So easy. If you want to find out more about this product and where you can buy it, down below in the description there is a link, just click it and find more information about this tracker and more products from Eufy. And just watch my videos on the playlist Eufy before buying any of this product. You will find very interesting my videos. Until my next video, don't forget to subscribe, share this video, you never know who may need it, and hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.